Fergie used his Massey and finished up early. What's wrong with that? That's the thing with Massey Ferguson. They're continually innovating and upgrading. And today we're going to talk about the new GC Series upgrades for mid-year and later built Massey Ferguson GC Series Sub-Compact Tractors. New for the 1715 or 1720 as we have here with the tractor loader backhoe version, and the new GC1705 or GC1710 if you buy a tractor loader backhoe. First thing you're going to recognize is a new comfort fit seat. Got a operator's manual pouch on the back. It's a spring suspension seat, but it's a new molded design. The other thing you'll notice is a new deeper dish steering wheel that is about 1 3/4 inches closer to the operator, that makes it more comfortable to drive. And I'll show you on the other tractor here. Also new on the 22.5 version and the 25 horse version, the 1705 and 1710, and this will be on the 10 and 20 backhoe versions also, is larger couplers here, which is going to give you increased cycle times. We're going to fire up the GC1720 and show you that, but you'll notice on the larger 25 horse version, which this is a 1720 without the backhoe, it'll be your GC1715, features the same deep dish steering wheel. And on the seat on this one is a little more deluxe. You get a set of armrests. Standard equipment. These are new standard feature changes for mid-year 2017 produced tractors. If it was built in early 2017, they would not feature this update. And you'll also see the new larger coupler design on it. Color coded and color coded on both ends to make it easy to connect back up. We're going to jump on here, show you that the new, you don't have to reach as far on the new GCs. It's about 1.7 inches, which is about 1 3/4 closer to the operator. So it allows you to sit back in the seat and enjoy your Massey Ferguson. Also on the 25 horse, you got armrests. Makes life a little easier, a little more comfort, a little more feature, upgrading to the GC1715 or the GC1720. Now we're going to fire it up and I'll show you the new loader cycle times. Always make sure you buckle up. Idle speed operation. It up a little bit. Check out the amazing Massey Ferguson Sub-Compact Tractors at your local Massey Ferguson dealer, or if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We'll show you how to own, operate, and get more out of your Massey Ferguson purchase.